Alrighty, welcome back, and we are back with Code Combat, and this one I'm trying the CoffeeScript playthrough. We'll just go again with the same character. I literally just finished the JavaScript, so I'm gonna see if the game has any kind of, hey, these are the differences between the two languages. So let's see what happens. It shouldn't be any easier or more difficult. It's not too difficult to begin with. But it shouldn't be, having all this gear on shouldn't change anything.
Code Combat.
So let's see here. I am on CoffeeScript. Huh? Oh. Wait. So if I go back over what I've already done in a different script, it's gonna load up what I had done in the previous script and then apply a grading scale or system to what I had done previously. So it doesn't undo everything I just did, which is weird, because I don't know what any of this means. So I'm going to actually go back and let's see real quick if there is some sort of, I don't want to, there's
for the
sign
win.
in. No. Let's hit the refresh button, and then I guess we're gonna go through these levels again on CoffeeScript because that's weird. So we're just gonna try that again. Doesn't do it. Okay. Touche, game. Touche. Is there a reset option? Campaigns. Let's look at campaigns. I don't see it. It looks like all of the different. I can't actually play that. Okay. So I'm just going to close out and open it back up and start again. I'll see you in a second. Alright, I am back and we're going to try this again. I had to close out of the entire browser to get the levels to reset.
Of course.
I find Sir Tharin a little less obnoxious than the girls, so oopsie, that's Python. We're gonna go with that. I don't want to play Python. Alright, back down to CoffeeScript. Let's see how different this is from JavaScript.
Code Combat.
Okay, so...
Of course.
Grab the treasure.
@.
You can use
Interesting.
these methods. Type your code on the right.
Okay. And I don't see that semicolon, so that won't trip me up again. The shorthands still work, from what I can see.
Code Combat.
Let's just keep going here. Down, up, right, go. Okay. So the shorthand still works, and unfortunately I'm not learning some of the more... there aren't that many subtle nuances in the script when all I know are 4 commands. But I feel like there's some difference that isn't being highlighted. And that I wouldn't know about until I had actually started completely over. So again, up, right, down, down, right, whoopsie.
Your hero has been slain. Better delete your last line of code and try again.
Cool, alright. And again, it's telling me I can try that, but it still never shows me how to deal with fire traps. So, I think we're just gonna keep on going. Get some nice shiny new armor. Collect all 4 gems. Gotcha. So, right, up, right, up, right, down, up, right. Cool. I should actually put up a timer in these videos somewhere to see if I'm actually just beating time
Code combat.
every time I do this. So, attack the ogre twice. Let's see if this changes. So that seems a lot simpler, actually, from JavaScript. Just less, I mean, less characters used in each line. So, right, attack, shred. That's not right. Shreg, over, shift home, Control C, Control V. I need to get to the end of the map. So, right. Got it. The replay value seems low for somebody going through all the languages at once. I mean, I'm being exposed to all of these different languages, but the shorthand is the same across all of them. And maybe that's just something that's... Again, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Whew. Need my hands to work together. Maybe that's just something that's indicative of coding. Maybe the languages really aren't, you know, so night and day. But I feel like if I went, you know, into a programming class, and you know, a more advanced one, knowing only what this game teaches me, I might be in over my head, but that also depends on what's not available to me as a non-subscriber. So perhaps just playing through the free version of this game is putting me at something of a disadvantage. Maybe I'm not getting the whole... Is it help? Is it Hush? It's Hush! Who would have thought? Maybe as a free player I'm not getting the full experience. But then again, I also couldn't imagine as a paying player having to go back to my old levels and then to edit all of the code, especially when I'm just using the shorthands. I feel like the shorthand is almost... Okay, it's not in the loop. It's tab. Oh, that's cap lock. The cap lock is on. Oh, there we go. Is that in the loop? That is in the loop. Okay, so there isn't a bracket anymore. I mean, maybe I guess having to go back and re-edit everything that you do would be a way to teach you, but that seems really monotonous.
Code combat.
So let's see here. It's already right. Up. Oh, it's telling me exactly. Yeah. Left. Down. I mean, imagine like actually taking a class like that, and you're learning a language, and you have to write a script in the language, and you know, make it work and everything. And then you guys later in the semester move on to another language, and all you have to do is go back and re-edit the entire other scripts that you did. I mean, maybe that's how they do it. That seems odd to me. So move right, move up, done. Cool. Actually, I guess the length of the video would tell me how much faster I'm moving with these things. So level, use the loop. Again, I kind of wish I was writing out loop each time. The tutorial seems to be getting in the way of the tutorial. Okay. Right, up, right, down, go. Cool. It's giving me gear for not having to buy anything, which is nice. Start the level. Attack. Door. Run. Oh, whoops. Loop. Duh. Loop and then tab. Tab? Cool. Oopsie. Not control enter. Oh, wait, there we go. Done. Again, doing it only one line of code. Just keep going. It doesn't seem like I need to actually buy anything. Okay, so this again. I'm going to shift home, Control C, Control V, and then paste this again. Change the 3s. Attack anyone. So this does seem simpler than Python as well, because there isn't a... I mean, still attack enemy 1. And I guess that is similar. I guess it's a bit more when I start adding in, like, the find nearest, etc. So now we get to deal with the variables, and I can see
Code combat.
as new things get introduced to see how much more intricate this gets. Still very similar. All right. Can I just highlight this whole? I can just highlight this whole thing. What is wrong with me? Okay. If there's a keyboard shortcut out there for highlight 3 lines, then feel free to let me know, because that would save me a few more seconds each level.
Code.
Okay. Enemy 1 is equal to... So, cool. So then I need enemy... My spelling keeps up with me. Enemy 2 equals at find nearest enemy. And then try actually typing this out. Oopsie. There we go. Oh, and then actually get to the exit, that's right. And so then it is down, and then right, and right. Cool. Closing the distance.
Code combat.
Ogre versus die. Just recognize the skip on the last level. Enemy 1, now attacking me 1. Now it is a little... I guess I could just start with attack and it would still work just fine. Shift N, Control C, Control V. On my right, followed by enemy 2. It's equal to finds. Yeah, so I don't need to necessarily start it with that. Yep, and that works just fine too. Shift home, Control V, C, V, C, C, V. Right, right. Cool. I got the shield this time.
Code combat.
Must survive 4 segments. Okay. So make a loop. Not a lop up. Make a loop. Enemy 1. Okay. Find nearest enemy. Attack enemy 1. Attack enemy 1. Oopsie. Oh, okay. I got 1 for that too. Cool.
Take that! What a team!
It isn't. Which is interesting because on Python, and I think JavaScript did it too, when I hit loop, it would automatically indent for me, and it doesn't seem to be doing that now. I don't know if that is just a part of how CoffeeScript works, or if... Because the game, I closed the browser and restarted, the game doesn't know I play these levels already.
Code.
So that's interesting. I'm going to be curious to see what happens when I get to the building part to see if that code has changed dramatically. My expectation is that it has not. So loop indents for me on the first line. Right. Oh, it still does it. Up. The 1, just go first enemy, attack enemy 1, attack enemy 1. Right, down, down, up, right. Oh, whoops, I can stop it there. It's right, it's a loop. It's a loop, I don't need to do much more. Cool. And There we go. On to the final level for
Code
CoffeeScript.
Combat.
There's no way your hero can
Okay.
defeat all those
It's gonna
ogres.
start it for me again anyway, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay.
You'll need to build 2 more fences to escape.
Yes, I know. I might actually need to actually put gear on
Hover
because
over the map
he
to
might actually
find
just die from those
XY
things.
coordinates for build XY.
So move down, build XY. And again, because I can highlight these things, I'm not... Like, I don't know if I'm just, like, cheesing the system here or not, but... Oh, I don't need parentheses. Okay, it's commas. Again, I mean, I can put on 30, right? 30 and 26? 26. Follow my rights. Ha, he didn't die. Okay, cool. Alright, so that is the end of CoffeeScript. And so let me double check to see here what the next language will be. Again, I'm curious to see if it's drastically different or
Nothing
not.
to it.
The shorthands are making all of this easy. And my main concern as far as like teaching different languages is, am I just learning these shortcuts, or am I actually learning how to write out these languages? Honestly, if I sat down to try and type all that stuff out, I would probably make more mistakes. Closure, another experimental one. A modern Lisp? Lisp? I don't know what that is. But I'm gonna figure it out on the next video, I guess, so I will see you there.